Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have NUBIA Focus Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. We start off opening calendar application, not drive, sorry, my bad. Calendar, and there we must tap on the day when we want to add our event. Maybe we can change view for a month to be easily to add, and there maybe we choose 30. In it, plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. In this part you can add this event to your members on group on Gmail. Calendar, there we can set when event starts and finish in which time, or we can set it will be all the event by switch on repeat of it if we need. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts. We can add location of that notification, and you can add more than one notification. There we can change color of our notification about this event which we see, and description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.